Welcome to BinNum Design.
HTML course. HTML elements. Nested HTML elements, empty HTML elements. HTML is not case sensitive. Part 4. HTML elements. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and an end tag, with the content inserted in between. Tag name content goes here, /tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. P my first paragraph /p. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag, such as the BR element, which indicates a line break. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. Elements can contain elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. This example contains 4 HTML elements. The HTML element defines the whole document. It has a start tag HTML and an end tag /HTML. Inside the HTML element is the body element. The body element defines the document body. It has a start tag body and an end tag /body. Inside the body element is 2 other HTML elements, H1 and P. The H1 element defines a heading. It has a start tag H1 and an end tag /H1. The element content is my first heading. The P element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag P and an end tag /P. The element content is my first paragraph. Do not forget the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly, even if you forget the end tag. The example above works in all browsers, because the closing tag is considered optional. Never rely on this. It might produce unexpected results and / or errors if you forget the end tag. Empty HTML elements. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. BR is an empty element without a closing tag. The BR tag defines a line break. Empty elements can be closed in the opening tag like this, BR/. HTML5 does not require empty elements to be closed. But if you want stricter validation, or if you need to make your document readable by XML parsers, you must close all HTML elements properly. HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags are not case sensitive. P means the same as P. The HTML5 standard does not require lowercase tags, but BinNum Design recommends lowercase in HTML, and demands lowercase for stricter document types like XHTML. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.